Okay, guys, since we want to create a dating app, what do you want to suggest? Do you have any ideas?
First, let's decide on the name. I want to call it Cebu Cupid.
I want to call it Hearts Worldwide.
Lloyd, that's a bad idea. Our dating app only covers Cebu. Cebu isn't worldwide.
Alright.
I want to call it Rent a Cebuana.
No, that name is too risky. People might misunderstand our app.
Why?
The app is about dating. When you mention rent, it means something else or something bad.
What do you mean?
It will be something like prostitution. Prostitution is illegal.
If our app is so called Rent Cebuana, our users will be harassed, especially the women. They might even get harassed in real life, and potential harm might occur to them.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry for being ignorant.
It's fine, Matt. Just remember that our user safety is very important to us, and we should give consideration and priority to prevent harm to our users.
Ah, okay. I'll be careful next time. Lloyd?
So, about the name of our app. Since Van Duck's name's idea is the best among us, we should go with Cebu Cupid.
Cebu Cupid's a nice and catchy name.
So, you all agree to my proposed name?
Yes, we should go with it.
Good enough for me.
Okay, so it's settled then. The name of our app is Cebu Cupids.
Since we are also talking about our user safety, how will our app work? Dating app seems like those apps where we should take our user safety in higher consideration than other apps since our users will be showing information about themselves to each other.
We should let our user decides which information of theirs they want to display to their profiles. This way, they will have freedom to what they want and not want to share about themselves.
That's a good idea. But what if some users don't know that the information they display could be dangerous? To show to other users, for example, their location, where they currently live.
You're right. That could lead to some dangerous situations.
How about we set their profiles to private by default?
Then how would another user get interested to a user if they don't able to know a little bit about the user they are curious about?
If we let the user describe themselves in their profile without the need to display their private information, for example, their likes, dislikes, hobbies, etc., that could be that could help other users to know about the user without knowing about their private information.
That's a good idea. We separate the information that is safe to display from the private information of the users.
And what if the user likes another user and wants to know more about that user?
We let that user be able to request to that user they like to know more about him, her.
And that user that got a request will be able to accept or decline the request, right?
Yes, they are free to do what they want with the request they receive.
Good. This way we can protect the user's private information and avoid harm from happening to our users, and the users will still be able to mingle with one another.